Have you been looking at wedding venues and struggling with how much they cost? Well, today I'm going to talk about a few tips on how to save hundreds, maybe even thousands on wedding venues. Hi, my name is Jen. I'm the owner of Weddings Made to Order. I help brides and grooms just like you plan gorgeous weddings within your budget. Find venues that will allow you to bring in your own alcohol. If you're able to buy alcohol over a period of time, depending on how long your engagement is, this will allow you to just buy a little bit each time you go grocery shopping, or each week, or each month, however you want to do it. I've met couples who have done just that, and their venue allowed them to bring in their own, and they did not regulate the alcohol. So the couple had a lot of control over how much they brought in, how much their guests were drinking, and the best part was they did not have a surprise open bar bill at the end of the night. Now, your venue will probably still require that you hire a bartender, and may even require that you have law enforcement depending on how much you have, but just double check with them on those details. But this will give you an opportunity to save so much and take out the middleman and reduce any markup costs that venue or vendors may charge in order to have the amount of alcohol that you're wanting. Also, depending on where you buy your alcohol from, you might be able to return unopened alcohol bottles back to your local ABC store or liquor store and get a refund on some of the bottles that your guests did not open. If you pick a non-traditional day, such as Thursday or Friday, to get married at your venue, then most wedding venues will cut you pretty drastically on your bill with them, because that's during their slow time, especially during a slow time of year. So if you did a Friday in January sometime, then that's an easy way to save if you're okay with your wedding being during that time of year, because a lot of venues don't have a high number of events going on, a high number of weddings, so that they are able to now cut costs, and you can save hundreds, maybe even thousands, just by changing the date alone. In addition to getting married on a non-traditional day or month of the year, the venue may decide to throw in some value adds, such as some ceiling packages or upgraded table linens, depending on what they're able to offer. But again, if it's a slow time of the year, they may be feeling a little more gracious, and I've seen them just throw in extra things. They may not cut costs more, but they might be willing to throw in some extra uplights or things of that nature that they would typically charge for, but because it's a slow time, they're willing to just add it in order to make sure that your day is special. I leave you with the question: how are you saving on your wedding venue? If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, as I post videos twice a week all about how to save on your wedding.